Welcome back once again. Today we get to discuss on the concepts of computer software. This is an example of a computer program. What is a computer program? It is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task when executed by a computer. A set of these programs that tells the computer on how to manipulate its data is what we call software or computer software. Software simply guides and tells the computer hardware what to do, when to do it, and how to do it. We can simply refer to software as an instruction to a computer. In our previous video, we learned about the characteristics of a computer, and one of them was dependency. Now, a computer is very dependent to human interaction. You must key in an instruction, you must give a command, you must provide a program to the computer for it to perform different tasks. Computer software is divided into three. We have the system software. A good example of a system software is the Windows operating system. Now, there are three types of system software. We have the operating system, we have the language processors, and the device drivers. Another type of computer software is the application software. A good example of application software is the Microsoft Office suite, which entails the Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Office Excel, and so on. Another type of software is the utility software that includes the compression tools, the antivirus, and other utility software such as disk management softwares. In this lesson, we have learned the basic concepts. For example, what is software and what are the types of software? In our next video, we will talk about the application software.